Hi team, I've had a couple of questions about how to use Teams, specifically how to share what's on your screen or a presentation. So I'm going to go through that here really quick with you. First of all, you can see I am currently in a meeting. If I move my mouse, I get my control bar down there. A couple really quick things. I think most of you figured this out, but down here you can click on Show Participants. At the moment, I'm the only person on this one, but you can see who's on. You can also invite people if you need to do so, just by doing that. Also, the show conversation, this is the chat. This is what many of us were on during our full staff meeting, but just a couple quick things there for you in case you weren't sure about those. The big one that I'll be talking about right now is the sharing. That is this button right here. And there are a couple different ways that you can go about this. So I'm going to show you a couple things that you can do. First of all, I'm going to click on the share button. And then it gives me some options. What exactly do you want to share? Well, if you want to share your screen as it is active, you can simply come right over here to show screen number 1. Now, if you have multiple monitors, you may have a couple of different options here. But if you only have one, then it should just be screen number 1. So I can click on that, and here we go. We are now on the screen. I can show you whatever it is that I wanted to show you on here. So if I needed to go to staff or whatever it is, you should be able to see everything that I'm doing. Now you'll notice down here in the corner we have a smaller version of our taskbar, or of our toolbar rather. Right down here is the stop sharing. This is hang up, so be careful, don't click on that. You can also turn off your camera or your microphone if you need to, but the stop sharing is right here. And then you should be right back to this. Another option that you have is to share, for example, a PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to click the share button again. And I'm going to go ahead and click on CMAS, even though that is now canceled. But if I click on that, it may take a moment for it to open, but you can see that you have your presentation right here. I can also see myself down here in the corner. So right there, you can control everything that you need to. And when you're done, you can simply click Stop Presenting. And then you're back to here. So hopefully that will get you through on the sharing.